Hey people, welcome to Nasike's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare mango yogurt smoothie. And as you know, this is the season where mangoes are all over and you're taking that advantage before they disappear in the market to be able to do as much as we can with our mangoes. So guys, it's a very simple recipe, not complicated at all. Hope you'll enjoy and you'll also try this recipe. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is called... First, I'm going to remove the cover. I've already washed it. You can either remove the cover or cut it like that. Then you'll cut it the way I showed you in the last video, like that. Then you use your spoon to scoop it out. This way it makes it so easy to come out. Here it is. I'm going to transfer it in my blender. Next, I'm going to add my yogurt. 1 cup of yogurt. Then I add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then I blend. It's ready. Here is our mango yogurt smoothie. You can see how amazing it looks. You should try out this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.